Hi, I'm Triambika, pursuing architecture in CAD, Chennai Academy of Architecture and Design. The Splash, a theme boutique hotel. Site location. The site is located in Ponamalli, Chennai, with an area of 42,000 square meter, a west-facing plot. Site analysis. The entire hotel revolves around the concept of beach and waves. The site context also supports the idea with existing water feature in it. Waves being the main focus is modulated and mismatched with shapes to generate an unbounded form. Some of the conceptual ideas. Abu Sawawa Portico, a live case study, Ponamalli, Chennai. Mood boards are created in a peculiar way such that it holds up to the shades and tones of blue and yellows. It gives us the idea how unique a place can be, like ideas of forms, fittings and fixtures as well. The site has a diagonal entry that leads towards the building. Splash facilitates 160 car parking and 178 bike parking. The entire site has a service entry and exit. The site is divided into 5 main zones in which the main building serves most of the purpose. Then the swimming pool plays a vital role in the design as it is focal point in the site. As the design revolves around a wavy theme and a beachy scenario, a big importance is given to the spa and salon. 5 villa cottages in the ground level makes the user feel a resort islanded by water. The last comes the wavy beach with the coastal line experience. The parking layouts. The spa gives a relaxed and positive atmosphere and be pleasing to the senses. Spa is cleaved into 4 main areas such as for women's, men's, couples and meditating space. Spa has a perfect ambience and support all the qualities of intangible senses, looks good, feel good and makes the user peaceful and relaxable. Splash offers 5 luxury villa rooms with 3 bedrooms, hall, dining and a private pool area. These rooms are islanded with water. The ground floor gets the main entry from the drop-off zone and the service entry from the pool area. The main entry leads to the reception desk and the waiting lobby. The front office covers manager, general manager, banquet manager cabin with the admin, and also facilitates purchasing and receiving office, baggage counter, lost and found, business center, CCTV security. The ground floor also has 24/7 coffee bar, VIP lounge, kitchen, restaurant and a themed cafe. The entire building has 14 lifts in which 6 are placed in the center and 2 near the pool area and 3 for the services. The first floor caters a ballroom, banquet halls with the banquet kitchen and storage, a showroom manager cabin and also a bar. The second floor caters open cafeteria, open garden, open library with 2 ballrooms, a banquet, 3 conference, staff lounges and a health center. The 3 to 7 floors has the rooms in it. Each floor has 19 rooms. The entire building has 95 rooms in total. Splash offers 8 types of rooms in each level, that are the single, twin, double, luxury double, quad, suite, adjoining and presidential suite. Some of the room layouts. The entire building service is placed at the 8th level, namely electrical, mechanical, laundry, water for drinking, boiling, HVAC. This floor ensures the whole building security and services. This floor also has the staff residing area. With the back office. Facade details gives us the intricate details of the facade. The sections. Thank you.